everyone, Jerry Bracamani here with another face of Havasu. Let's meet her now. Can you share with us your name and what you do for Lake Havasu City?
Hi, I'm Shelby Hennigan, and I'm a planning coordinator with the Development Services Department. A lot of what I do is coordinating reviews of our land use actions that we receive with outside agencies like ADOT and the utility companies and different city departments, gathering feedback and input on those. I'm also the liaison with the Planning and Zoning Commission, as well as the Board of Adjustment, so you'll sometimes see me at those meetings. And all of our planning staff's very busy right now working on our 2026 general plan update.
Shelby, what brought you here to Lake Havasu City?
A lot of the weather. I'm originally from Wyoming, and my family asks me how I deal with the heat, and I just say you can't shovel sunshine. But I love the year-round opportunities here with the lake and the desert, so and then I love the small town feel as well.
So Shelby, the general plan update is a pretty big endeavor for the city, and I know that it happens every 10 years. Can you give us a little bit more information about the general plan update and what it's about?
Yeah, so it is a big project. The General Plan Update, or GPU, is basically a long-term planning document that helps guide growth and development for the city over the next 10 to 20 years. It's not a zoning map and it's not a master plan, but it works in concert with those documents to help create and guide the community's vision. The GPU is going to look at things like housing, land use opportunities, transportation, conservation, economic development. It's basically an 18-month process, and it's going to end with the new general plan being on the ballot for voters to vote on and hopefully approve in November of 2026. And so my role is basically to help coordinate meetings, gather community input, and then just make sure all of our working parts are coming together.
Sounds like a really big project, but you're a pretty positive person, so it's going to be really good with you on the team.
I sure hope so.
Other than the general plan update, which is a special project that you're working on, give us a little bit about your role in development services when you're not working on like this kind of a special project.
Sure. Every day is a little different, which I enjoy. A lot of working with the community, a lot of project management, coordination with consultants, with utility companies, with our planning and zoning commissioners. So it's busy. We have a lot of deadlines to meet. We do public notifications, agendas, just things to really ensure that the public can stay informed of what's happening in our city. So it's busy, but I really enjoy it.
How can the public get involved in the general plan update, but also in development services like on the board and commission with planning and zoning?
Yeah, so that is a great question. For the general plan update, public input is so huge because we want to create something that really resonates with the public. So right now, we actually have our second questionnaire live on the GPU website. It'll take about 10 minutes. It'll be up until mid-August, and it's right now focusing on visioning and general plan themes, questions about what people want to see and where they want to see it. So we encourage everyone to take some time to check that out and take that. In September, we're going to be giving an update to the City Council and the Planning and Zoning Commission about the general plan progress so far, which is a great way for people to learn more. So tune into those. And then we'll have some upcoming public workshops again in person later this fall. As far as the Planning and Zoning Commission and Board of Adjustment goes, every June we look for new appointees. So if you're interested in that, you can find a packet online and turn that into the city clerk.
All right, Shelby, fun question. If the general plan update had a mascot, what would that mascot be?
It would definitely be a desert sunrise, because when I think of a sunrise, I think of excitement for the future, I think of new opportunities, and that's really what we hope the community thinks about and feels when they look to the future of Lake Havasu City.
Well, thank you, Shelby, for everything that you do and for helping shape our future and for getting the community involved. It's really important that their voice is heard.
Yes.
And I have seen on the questionnaire out on the website that there's like over 900, almost 1,000 comments out there from people. So that's really a good feedback from them. So I appreciate you including all of them, and thank you for all that you do with development services, and thanks for choosing Lake Havasu City.
Awesome. Thank you, Jerry.
Until next time, these are the faces of Havasu.